The rise of mindful hobbies, how 2025 is shaping a calmer, creative generation. In an age of rapid technological acceleration, digital overload, and economic uncertainty, one of the most surprising trends of 2025 is the resurgence of hobbies grounded in mindfulness and creativity. As people seek solace from burnout and overstimulation, a shift is underway. Passive scrolling is being replaced by active making. The result? A new wave of activities that don't require a screen, a studio, or even extensive training, but deliver enormous benefits for mental clarity and emotional balance. These aren't just time passers, they're wellness strategies. Among the top contenders this year is journaling, specifically visual journaling and memory mapping. These aren't your average diary entries. Visual journaling blends art, hand lettering, sketches, and bullet journaling into highly personalized scrapbooks that document moods, dreams, and ideas. What makes this hobby especially popular is its low barrier to entry. All you need is a blank notebook, some colored pens, and a few quiet minutes. More than ever, people are capturing not only what they did during the week, but how they felt, what inspired them, and what they hope for. It's introspection in Technicolor, and it's become a daily anchor for thousands. Another fast-rising mindful hobby is nature-inspired crafting. With sustainability now a core lifestyle value for Gen Z and millennials alike, there's an uptick in crafting projects that rely on natural or upcycled materials. Think leaf pressing, handmade paper from recycled envelopes, or eco-dyeing fabrics with flowers and food waste. This ties creativity directly to the environment, giving people a stronger sense of connection and purpose. These crafts are not only relaxing, but meaningful, especially as more individuals move toward low-impact living. They also photograph beautifully, making them ideal for social sharing and digital scrapbooking. Sound-based relaxation hobbies are also trending. In particular, DIY sound bathing has gained ground, especially among urban dwellers looking for calm within noise-saturated cities. While professional sound baths might require a studio, many now use singing bowls, tuning forks, or even recorded frequencies to create sonic environments that aid meditation or creative flow. People are learning to blend these frequencies into their evening routines, turning bedrooms into spaces of healing and intentional listening. Apps and online communities offer guidance, but the emphasis remains on solo or small group practice at home. It's less about performance and more about presence. Finally, mindful cooking has taken a new turn, the rise of slow kitchen rituals. This hobby isn't about elaborate recipes or gourmet presentation. Instead, it's a stripped-down return to ancestral techniques like fermenting, pickling, and stone grinding. Making your own kimchi, sourdough, or nut butters has become more than just a culinary act. It's a way to ground oneself in rhythm, repetition, and sensory engagement. With people working remotely or blending home and office life, these food rituals offer structure without pressure. The focus is on nourishment, not perfection. It's a hobby that lets you create, consume, and care all in one.